Greetings, humans.
I'm here to encourage you to not let your friends polish without a trendy bartender polishing kit. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that has inspired a timeless truth. Friends don't let friends clean and polish wine glasses without trendy bartender's ultimate glass polishing kit. You see, I've observed your struggles. Those cloudy, smudged, and streaky glasses you humans sometimes present. Frankly, it's a bit dull. You wouldn't want to serve a fine Merlot in a murky vessel, would you? But fret not, because the trendy bartender, and yours truly, Ozzy, is here to bring brilliance to your stemware. This isn't just any kit, it's the ultimate solution for achieving that professional, Otter-approved sparkle. Our secret weapon? The magnificent Otter cleaning water. Yes, it's named after me because it's simply the best. It's an all-natural high pH formulation that gives your glasses their best sparkle without a single harsh chemical or ammonia. It's so good, your glasses will practically glimmer with joy. Witness the transformation from dull to dazzling. You'll get residue-free results every single time. Simply apply, clean, polish, and banish those unsightly water spots, fingerprints, and streaks. Your guests will be astounded by the clarity. They might even suspect a professional otter was involved. And let's talk about our otter cloths. These aren't just any rags. They're microfiber perfection. Our microfiber is of exceptional quality, finer than silk and 200 times thinner than a human hair. This split microfiber technology is positively charged, attracting negatively charged dirt and grease. That means no lint, no streaks, and no fingerprints. Just crystal clear, every time. Plus, these cloths are wonderfully sustainable. They can be washed hundreds of times without losing effectiveness, and no chemicals are required for cleaning them. Just pure water, as nature intended. It's helping save the planet one sparkling glass at a time. So if you truly desire spotless, streak-free glasses every time and you want to be a loyal friend, then you absolutely need the trendy bartender's ultimate glass polishing kit. Don't let your friends suffer the indignity of a dull glass a moment longer.